Hi, my name is Jacqueline, and I currently teach fifth grade at Prospect Valley Elementary, which is in Wheat Ridge, Colorado, so just west of Denver, in the suburbs, and it's in Jeffco Public Schools. My extracurricular responsibilities, I run student council. I'm part of the leadership advisory team. That's new this year. And that is primarily it. My experience with leadership, I have been on the instructional leadership team for 3 years where we planned professional development and led the professional development at staff meetings. So that's been my primary experience with leadership. And why do I want to be an administrator? I really feel that the administrator sets the tone and builds the culture, and I think that that's a powerful thing, and so I really would love to be a part of that. I've seen kind of the whole spectrum of administrators in my 8 years of teaching. I've had 5 different principals, and so I've seen kind of the range, and so I really have seen what a positive climate and positive culture within a school building built from the principal, what that can do for a school. And any additional information, I love to be outdoors. I like to run, and I think that's mainly it. I don't have any children. I have been married for just about 2 years, and I'm excited to kick off this course. Thanks.